Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to term four. Hope you had a relaxing day yesterday with your family on Easter, and I guess we've been spending a lot of time with our families lately, so hopefully that's a good thing. But I hope you also get a chance to get outside and get exercise and get some fresh air in this new snowfall, right? Anyways, just a couple updates. I will should more than likely have the chapter 8 stuff finished, graded, and your term 3 grade updated by the end of the day today. So you can check back on campus sometime later today and should have your term 4 grade on there. Or yeah, term 3, sorry, term 3 grade on there. Launching into term 4, you may be surprised a little bit with the chapter that we're in. We're in chapter 32, dealing with electrostatics. So, long story, I don't need to go into it really, but mainly due to the weather. It's electrostatic things are much better when the weather is dry out. And so even though we're not doing lab related type stuff this term, or much of anyways, it's maybe a moot point, but we're just keeping it the same sequence that we have in the past. So we're going to go from chapter 32 up to chapter 37, and then we will go back to chapter 25 and work our way back up to chapter 30. So that's the hope, and there may be a couple of chapters we may omit as we go along, but in general, that's kind of the plan for term 4, and that's the normal plan as if we were in class as well, so it's not specific to the distance learning environment, but so anyways, we'll start with chapter 32. I will be working on the next couple of days here too, getting a comprehensive 8-week calendar together, and I'll post that up. It's not ready yet because I haven't decided which labs we're gonna not do and where we can find some simulations or videos that will take the place of those labs. And it's just a different environment, different world, and I'm trying to navigate through it as well as you are. So. So give me a little bit of time to get the whole term calendar up to date, and we don't even know exactly what the district is going to be doing late in the term, anyways. So I don't want to get too far ahead. Anyways, I would anticipate a test, just to kind of put in the back of your mind, probably by Friday, covering chapters 32 and 33. 33 is a real short chapter. We don't spend much time on it even in person. And typically the test is on Friday, and I think we can still keep it there. We'll take it a little bit slower because we won't be doing labs. It will probably be less work outside of class for you, but that's the way it is. So plan on a test by Friday, and I'll get the week schedule up during the day today too. So. All right. If you have any questions, feel free to text me or call me. The number listed, my Google number is 612-465-9123. And I will put that on the outline for the day today as well, just a reminder. So you can text me, you can send me a Schoology message, whatever, email, whatever, if you have any questions regarding what we're doing this term or last term or things like that. All right, hope you're doing well, and we'll get off to a good start on term 4. Take care. Bye-bye.